Hey guys, this is my first time sewing down a 360 lace frontal on a dome cap. I did ventilate this 360 frontal with a latch hook and I'll be sewing this down on a dome cap. So, if you are interested, let's go right into it. First thing first, I'm making use of a dome cap and I'm placing this right on my mannequin so it stays in place. I have my thread and scissors, my clips and pins to secure the lace on the dome cap. And here is the 360 lace frontal I ventilated. I'm going to secure this on the cap. And I'm trying to place this just right in the middle. But before I do that, I will fold the lace into two equal parts. This is just going to help me find the middle. And I'm going to place this a little further from the dome cap and I'll secure that with my pin. And I'm repeating the same process at the back. I'm placing the lace a little further from the dome cap and I'm securing it also with my pins. I will go ahead to unroll these hairs out of the way. That way I can see what I'm doing. While I'm on it, I make sure I don't squeeze the lace or tighten it so my lace isn't sewn roughly. The lace is a bit bigger, so I'm folding the lace a bit inwards and I'm securing it with a pin. This only helps the lace fit in when it looks a little bit bigger. After I was done ventilating this lace frontal, I was left with 2.5 bundles which I'll be using to sew down this wig. I know a lot of you will be wondering how did you come about this lace frontal you can check on the video that pops up here to watch on how we ventilated this 360 lace frontal. Like I said earlier, this is my first time sewing down a 360 lace frontal on a dome cap. So I'm just sewing down this lace on the dome cap because I wouldn't want to cut off my lace. So I'm just sewing down the tip of the lace to the dome cap. I'm placing this weft above the hairs on the lace frontal, and I'm not sewing on the hairs that I ventilated below. I'm giving this first weft a double stitch so it doesn't come off, and I'm sewing on both the lace and the dome cap beneath. I tried as much as I can not to cut off my weft, so I'm doing a flip over method, just turning the weft to the other side, right over the weft below, and I'm securing that with my pin before I sew down. and I'll keep flipping it over until the bundle finishes. This is the last weft left out of my bundles, and I'll keep repeating the same step until I get to the top. I'll go ahead to cut off the dome cap beneath the lace, just the same way you do for your closure. This time around it's all around the head circumference, while on this I'm being careful not to rip my lace off, so I'm cutting this an inch away from the lace. This is what it's looking like after I'm done with the hair. Guys, I'm open for corrections, okay? So if you have any questions or observations, you can leave that in the comment section down below. And this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Do well to hit the like button if this video was helpful, and do well to stick around with me by clicking on my other videos and subscribing to my channel. Do well also to follow me on Instagram at Rox-T Styles. Love you all.